Welcome to ZenBasket. In this video, you will learn how to access and view all the orders placed at your store. After a customer places an order in your store, you get an email notification, and the order appears on the All Orders page in your ZenBasket admin. To view the orders, go to the Orders menu and click on the All Orders submenu. Here you can view the list of all orders of your store. You can view the individual order details like order ID, date and time, customer details, order status, total amount, shipment type, and actions on the list page. Once the order is placed, it will be listed here with a label New. If you want to exclusively view the new order, click the new order notification under the bell icon. To view the list of failed orders, click on the Failed Orders icon. This will display a list of all orders that were not successful. When you place a manual order, the order will be listed under the All Orders menu with the label Manual Order, along with its respective order number. If the orders are not processed within a 7-day period, they will expire and be marked as order expired. However, 2 days prior to the expiration date, they will be marked as order expire soon to provide a warning. Use the search bar to find an order using the order ID, name, phone number, or email. You can filter the order based on a specific store location. If you want to view the recent orders, click on the refresh icon. You can filter your orders based on the payment status, order status, payment method, shipment type, custom date, days, order type, picked up, or delivery date. You can apply combinations of these filters and save them for future use by clicking on the Save button. Enter the Save filter name and then click on the Save button. If you want to filter the orders based on the saved filters, simply select the desired one and click on Apply. The sort icon arranges the list based on alphabetical order, total amount, or recently ordered or updated items. You can update the fulfillment status and add order notes for each item using the Quick Edit icon. To remove orders in bulk, check the boxes against the desired order and click on the Remove button or use the Remove icon next to Quick Edit for single order removal. If you delete an order by mistake, you can restore them by clicking on the Restore Orders button. Select a deleted order you want to restore from the list by searching the values in the search bar. You can use the location filter to select a specific location if needed. Click on the Restore Order icon against the order to restore the desired order you want, and your order is restored successfully. You can also process orders manually on behalf of the customers. To know more about manual orders, check out the video link in the description. That's it. Now you know how to access the order list page. To know more, visit our help article. Make sure you like, subscribe, and get notified so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let us know if you have any queries. Thanks for your support.